Naturalistas, let me show you how easy it is to get defined curls within minutes and go from this to this for your easiest everyday wash and go routine. This isn't a 10-step process. I only use 2 staple products to get these results in under 5 minutes from start to finish. So let's dive in and I'll show you exactly what I do. So my last wash and go lasted me a whole week and it's time to wash my hair. So I'm going in with my favorite moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. I'm combing that conditioner through my hair so that every single hair strand is saturated, and I'm letting my hair sit with a hair cap while I do the rest of my shower shenanigans before rinsing it all out. Now let's get to the products that are going to define your curls. Step 1 is always going in with Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. One thing I love about this line is that it is all organic and natural ingredients, so I feel like it's one of the healthiest things I can use on my hair as it's growing. I'm going to comb this through for even distribution and then go in with the star of the show, which is the Kinky Curly Custard. I can't say enough good things about this product. I've tried a lot of different curl enhancing custards and creams over the years, and this one just eats down. All I do is liberally apply the custard from root to tip, and I use as much as I need, which sometimes maybe is too much, but I really feel like there's never too much of a good thing with this product because it's jam-packed with moisturizing ingredients. And look, this is my hair after it's air dried for like an hour, and you get this soft hold. It's not crunchy, and my hair stays like this all week. All I have to do is refresh here and there with a little bit of water and maybe a teeny bit of extra product, but it lasts. So here you are, my simple everyday wash and go routine. I hope this helps you on your hair growth journey. Please remember to like and subscribe and share with your favorite naturalistas. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.